Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by saving work and closing apps. This prevents data loss. Disconnect monitors, hubs, and cables to isolate the Mac. Peripherals can cause flicker. Once done, power off and hold Shift during startup to enter safe mode. This disables third-party drivers and caches. Log in, observe whether flicker appears, and note any visual changes. Safe mode narrows the cause to software versus hardware. Make sure to record the behavior now, because it guides the next targeted steps. Next, inspect settings and firmware that commonly cause flicker. Open System Settings, go to Displays, and try alternate resolutions and refresh rates to see if the issue stops. Then reset nvram/pram by restarting and holding Option, Command, P, and R for about 20 seconds. That clears display setting corruption. After that, update macOS to the latest build and remove any recently installed display utilities, drivers, or kernel extensions because they often introduce instability. If changes fix it, continue, otherwise proceed to hardware checks. Finally, determine if hardware is the culprit by connecting an external monitor with a known good cable. If the external looks fine, the built-in panel or its cable may be at fault. Run Apple Diagnostics by restarting and holding D, then jot down any error codes and their descriptions. If diagnostics indicate hardware issues, or if flicker persists with no software cause, back up your data and arrange service with Apple or an authorized provider. If things go wrong, try safe mode and nvram reset again before service to rule out lingering software causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.